children, welcome back to Nahar Global Video Lectures. Again we are going to see a topic related to grammar, adjectives and its kinds. First of all children, thank you so much for all the views, likes and comments. This is the real motivational power which we get to produce more and more videos for you. Thank you so much. Coming back to our subject, adjectives and its kinds. Adjective is not a new thing for you all children, but still let me explain. Adjective means what? The word that describes a noun. The word that describes a noun is termed to be called as adjective. For example, if I talk about Bhavi Pungliya. Bhavi Pungliya is a silent girl of my class. Here I am stating Bhavi as a silent girl. I can say Bhavi is a girl of my class. Even that sentence is completely right. But I have added on there one more word of silent girl. What I have added children? Silent girl. So in this way what am I doing? I am giving a quality of Bhavi. I am saying that Bhavi is a silent girl. I am expressing Bhavi even more better. So the words used for explaining the noun even more better, that add some effect to the noun, are called as adjective. So this is the reason why we call adjective as a word that describes the noun. So what will be the adjective children? Adjective is the word that describes the noun. Noun may be anything, name of a person, place, animal or thing. So if I say green board, so I am saying the board, this is board and I am saying that this is green board. So green is the adjective because the green is stating the quality of the board, the color of the board. Even board is right, but green board gives much effect to the word board, and board is noun. So green has added on effect to board. So it is called as adjective. Adjective normally states the kind. About what kind? Suppose board. What kind of board? Glass board, green board, white board. So that will be stated and it will come under adjective. Next is how many. Whenever we state the counting, that this much, 4 coins, 1000 rupees, whenever we talk about, we just talk about the quantity or numerical value, that also comes under adjective. Adjective, more or less, I want to explain that adjective is a word that is used to describe the noun even in a better manner, that saying that what kind of noun is it. Sometimes it will say what kind of noun, and sometimes it will say how many types of, or how much, or what color, red colored dress, blue colored bag, like this. How old, what is the age and which person. So when we point out to the noun in this form, we call it as adjective. Suppose I am telling how many chocolates do you have? That I am talking about chocolates and I am just introducing yourself to tell me how many chocolates. So that is the way that thing is describing the chocolate. We all know chocolate, but how many? So it increases the add-on effect to chocolates. So more or less adjective is a word that describes a noun. So let us see some examples of the adjective. Happy, tall, smart, pretty, intelligent, useful, great, thin, predictable and many more. So adjective is the thing that adds a quality to the noun, and these are the examples. The words used with the noun, these words used with the noun gives an add-on facility to noun, and henceforth they are called as adjectives. Now, after learning the concept of adjective, let us practice the adjective with some examples. The first example is Shrashti is a smart girl. Now, in this sentence you are talking about Shrashti and you are saying that Shrashti is a smart girl. I have added on a effect of smart to the girl discussed here. So, your girl, smart girl means the girl is very, very smart, and here Shrashti is a smart girl states the quality of the girl. So, the word smart describes this noun even more better. It is giving an extra quality to the noun. So, this will be our adjective of this sentence. The second question, Bhartendra loves slow music. Now, Bhartendra loves music is also the right and exact sentence, but I have added on slow to the music, and this slow says to me that Bhartendra loves music, but what kind of music he loves? So, this slow is also adjective because it is stating what kind of music Bhartendra likes. Deep Prabha is wearing a red dress. Now, here red is the adjective because this red is describing the dress. Dress is also right, but when we say red colored dress, the dress has been defined even more better. So, red is the adjective. Parrot is a glamorous bird. Parrot is a bird, everyone know. And when I say glamorous bird, I am just defining one extra quality of the parrot. So, glamorous is also adjective. Funny jokes are good to hear. Now, here we are talking about jokes. Jokes are good to hear. But even in that, funny type of jokes, what type of joke? Funny type of jokes are even more interesting to hear. So, funny is the adjective. So, again and again I will repeat the same thing, that adjective means the word that describes the noun even more better. Noun की क्वालिटी बताने वाले शब्द को adjective कहा जाता है, जिसे हिंदी में अपन विशेषण के नाम से जानते हैं. Now, after the examples, let us see the different kinds of adjectives. Adjectives has been summarized under some heads stating the different kinds to make easier for us to understand. Now, in total we have 8 kinds of adjective. How many kinds of adjectives we have? We have 8 kinds of adjective, and the first one is adjective of quality. Whenever we talk about the quality, we just state good, bad, better, fantastic, awesome. Then we use quality of adjective. For example, smart, tall, lengthy. We can easily say that this is a tall building. Smart girls always do their job better. Lengthy answers are hard to learn. Whenever we describe our noun through the quality, it will come under the head of the quality of adjectives. The next is numbers. When we count on 4, 5, 10, 11, 20, we will be using the adjective of numbers. If I say, I like to read weekly newspaper, that means the newspaper that comes once in a week. I am stating the number once in a week, twice in a week. At that time I am using the adjective of numbers. Got it? Next is quantity. Every time I can't state the number. Suppose if I want to drink milk, I cannot say give me 1 milk, give me 2 milk. I can say give me 1 glass of milk. I can say give me 10 glasses of milk. But I can never say give me 1 milk. In that case, what we will do? For example, children, whenever we visit to our relatives or friends' home, what happens? They used to ask us, will you like to have a tea? At that time, what we will say? Okay, I'll have 1 tea. I'll have 2 tea. Do we say like this? Do we say that, suppose we want to drink handsome of tea, then will we say like this, give me 5 glass of tea? At that time what we will do, because of we cannot use the numeric value of the tea, we can say 1 glass of tea, 1 cup of tea, 4 cup of tea, but for only tea we can never say 1 tea, 2 tea. At that time what we will do? We will like to say that, yeah, I will have some tea. Whenever someone asks you, would you like to have more rice? At that time what you will say? वी विल से ओके गिव मी सम राइस। क्या कभी भी आप ऐसा बोलोगे बहुत सारा चावल चाहिए? नहीं, वी विल यूज सम राइस. So the thing which cannot be counted will come under the adjective of quantity, where we will be stating some, less, few. So to be very clear, this is count for countable nouns. Adjective of number is used for countable nouns and adjective of quantity is used for uncountable nouns. We can't say give me 4 sugar. We will say give me some sugar. We can't say I don't want 2 rice. We will say I don't want any rice. Got it, children? The next is distributive adjective. Here we just distribute. Whenever we have our birthday, we used to give chocolate to each and every student of our class. That is our classmates. So at that time we use distributed. In that we pinpoint on each and every person present here. Next is demonstrative adjective. Whenever I want to talk about something, say the object which is far away from me or near with me. Whenever I want to state something, what I will do? I'll say this, I'll say thus, I'll point out those. At that time we will be using the demonstrative adjective. Coming to the 7th kind of adjective, it is interrogative adjective. We all know what is interrogation. Whenever we put some questions, it is known as interrogative sentence. So whatever the question words are there, which are also called as WH words. What? WH words. All the question words are also termed as WH words. Whenever we use this WH words, who, which, what, how, why, when, where, we will be using interrogative adjective. And the last one is possession adjective, where we declare that this pen is mine, that book is yours, she took her book, like this. Whenever we state the possession, who that as particularly to whom the thing belongs to, at that time we used to use possession adjective. It is also called as possessive adjective. This was all about the adjective and its kinds, and going deep into adjectives, there will be degrees of comparison which I will be teaching you in the next video lecture. Till that you have to practice this, children, and you have to copy all the notes given in the video, all the side headings, definitions, examples, everything you have to note it down in your fair copy by day after tomorrow and submit it for correction. Children, this will be carrying some marks for you also. Then after that, we will be providing you some worksheets which you have to solve in your CW copy in the grammar portion. Okay? And if you have any doubt in this, children, you can just ask us any time in the school hours. Also, after this you have to give some your own sentences also. At least 10 sentences you have to prepare of your own, where you will be using adjectives. And after doing all this job, the concept of the adjectives will be very, very clear to you. Okay, children, now till I am back with my next video, you take care of yourselves, be punctual and finish your homework, and also take care of yourselves. Thank you.